everyone, so I got my Sampler Sampler monthly subscription quilting box in, and this is for November. So let's see what I got. I'm excited. Winter Blossoms, it says. So Winter Blossoms. And then there's a coupon code on the back of your paper. So if you subscribe to this, there's usually a QR code for a coupon and for a quilt pattern. So, okay, let me get this open. Let me see what we got for this month. Oh, how funny. I just hauled this. How funny. So, magic pins, patchwork pins, extra long pins. That's hilarious. I just hauled those in the last video. $2.48. That is the value of that, $2.48. And then, let's see. Let's see. Alright, sorry guys. Okay, so we have the Peaceful Baskets, another block of the month. That's $4.98. The pattern this month is Perennials. This one's pretty cool. I would probably try this one. Yeah, I'd probably try that. And that's usually $9.98. Yep. And then we got scissors. Perfect scissors. And they're like rubber right here. So value $20.98. Jeez Louise. $20.98, you guys. Dang. I think they kidnapped Chelsea Clinton. So it was crazy. All-in-one quilter's reference tool. It's got kind of munched. So it's really got damaged. Yeah. Let's see. It is probably something I would never use, but I'll keep because you never know. I might be like, oh, I know how to do that because I saw that I have this, whatever, you know. But yeah, it's not my favorite thing. $16.98 for that one. Let's see. And then we have, try and be careful without stabbing the fabric. Then we got Melody. I think I bought this fabric. I wonder if I did. I kind of want to say I did. This is $25.98. It is going to be fat quarter bundle. 9 pieces, you guys. 9-piece bundle. So, let's see. I want to say I did. I want to say I got Melody. I may have gotten it in like a, I'm going to scoop it in like a jelly roll. Maybe. But this, I love this though. I love this color combo. This color combo is beautiful. But I love the navies and the pinks and the mints and all that. I love all that. So, yeah. We got coral. We got blues. So, a little bit of yellow. Yeah. Very nice. So, 9 fat quarters there. So, yeah. This isn't my favorite box that I've gotten. But overall, it's you know, it's good for the, I mean, you got you got your Chelsea Clintons there. So, now we just watched Rush Hour, so yeah, it's in my head. But yeah, so $22, you guys, or $20.98, $21. Jeez. All right, guys, take care, and we will see you all later. So, take care.